Hi, Mckenzie Lain here at Waters Garden Center. If you have any sort of insects flying around in your face while you're at home, I have two products that are going to work for you. First one is systemic granules. This product you're going to want to sprinkle in the dirt of your houseplant, water it in really well, and it's going to kill all the eggs that the insects are laying in your houseplant, so they don't continue to pop up and annoy you. The other product is a sticky traps. These you're going to want to stick into your plant just like this. They're going to be a little stake, and you're going to fold these yellow traps on. What they do is they're going to attract anything that's flying right to the trap, and you're not going to be able to lay eggs anymore in your plants. So these two products are going to take care of any insects that are in your home. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.